Welcome to this video where I'll walk you through how to install Serato DJ Pro on your computer. I'll guide you step by step until you're ready to start using it, so stick with me and let's dive in together. Before we begin, a quick reminder, you're watching this on DJ Joman's channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Step 1. Downloading Serato DJ Pro. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type in Serato DJ Pro and select the link that says Download Serato DJ software. Click on it and you'll be directed to the download page where you can grab the latest version of the software. Important: before downloading, ensure your computer meets the system requirements. Here's what you need to check. For Mac users, make sure processor is Intel Core i9 or Apple M1/M2 or higher, means 2018 or later. RAM 16 GB or more. Storage 15 GB or more, free space but SSD recommended. Video memory 4 GB or 14 core GPU or higher. Operating system macOS 12 Monterey, 13 Ventura or 14 Sonoma. For Windows users, make sure processor is 6th Gen Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 3000 series or higher. RAM 8 GB or more. Storage 15 GB or more, free space but SSD recommended. Video memory 1 GB, but for Serato video 2 GB or higher is better. Operating system Windows 10 or 11. For high performance tasks like low latency scratching or live streaming, make sure processor is 8th Gen Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series or higher. RAM 16 GB or more. Video memory dedicated 2 GB or higher. Now let's go to step 2, checking your computer specifications. To check your computer's specs on Windows, click the Start button and type DXDAG. Click on it and it will open the DirectX diagnostic tool, where you can see your processor, RAM and other details. To find out your processor's generation, look at the number right after the i7, i5 or i3 label in the processor name. For example, if your processor is labeled Intel Core up to i7 4600U, the number after i7 is 4, meaning it's a 4th generation processor. If it's i5 8250U, then it's an 8th generation processor. For RAM, if shows 16 GB, which indicates you have 16 GB of RAM installed. This process helps you understand if your computer meets the system requirements for Serato DJ Pro or other performance-heavy software. So now let's check video memory. On Windows, click Start, type Display, and select Advanced Display Settings. Once it opens, scroll down again and click on Display Adapter Properties. A new window will pop up showing the details of your graphics card. Look for the section labeled Dedicated Video Memory. This is where you'll find the amount of video memory your computer has. For example, on my computer it shows 128 MB, but I can increase this by adjusting some settings. I've already created a video showing how to increase video memory. Check the link in the description if you want to learn more. Let's go to step 3, downloading and installing Serato DJ Pro. Once you confirm your system meets the requirements, click to download Serato DJ Pro. Make sure you log into your Serato account first. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. I'll enter my email and password to log in. In case you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to recover it. For example, I entered my password incorrectly, so I'll go through the recovery process. Once that's done, I'll successfully log in, as you can see here. Now that I'm logged in, it's time to download the software. Simply click the download button The download will begin, and I'll wait for it to finish. As you can see, the download is almost complete, but the connection dropped, which caused my Internet Download Manager, IDM, to pause. I'll resume the download to continue. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the software. First, extract the zip file you just downloaded. After extracting, find the installation file in the folder and double-click on it to start the installation process. During the installation, you might get a prompt asking you to install QuickTime Player for video support, which Serato DJ Pro requires. Make sure to accept this prompt so everything installs smoothly. If there are no errors, the installation will complete without any issues, and Serato DJ Pro will be successfully installed on your computer. Now let complete with step 4, setting up Serato DJ Pro. After installation, go to your desktop and open Serato DJ Pro by clicking the icon. Now that Serato DJ Pro is installed, log in to your Serato account. This will allow you to sync your licenses and unlock features such as effects, samplers, and Serato Video. Remember, Serato DJ Pro requires a paid license or compatible professional hardware to unlock all its features. In my case, I haven't activated my paid products yet, but you'll need to if you want full access. Let complete with step number 5, organizing your music library. Simply drag and drop your music folders into Serato DJ Pro. Also, you can create folders or crates in Serato DJ Pro to organize your music however you prefer. To do this, simply click on the Add Crate button and name your folder according to your style or genre. Once your crates are ready, you can drag and drop your music folders from your computer directly into Serato. If you prefer, you can also create new folders based on your specific needs and then drag your tracks into them. To analyze the BPM and key of each track, highlight the songs you want and drag them to the section labeled Analyze Files. Serato will handle the rest, analyzing the tracks so they're ready for your next DJ set. Once analysis is complete, your library will be ready to go. Connect your DJ controller or hardware and you're all set to start DJing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to DJ Joman. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Have a great day.